Look at your bank account. Is it where you want it to be? I mean, really, take a second and think about it. Is that number sitting in your bank account something you're proud of? Or does it make you feel a little uncomfortable, like something is off? Because if it's not where you want it to be right now, then something needs to change. Not later, not next year, right now. I was in that position a couple years ago, but most people are going to waste the rest of this year. They're going to scroll, complain, procrastinate, and repeat the same tired cycle again and again. But you don't have to be one of them. That's why I'm challenging you today. I'm challenging you to make $10,000 per month before 2026. Now look, this isn't about being flashy. This isn't about getting rich quick. This isn't about flexing on Instagram or buying stuff you don't even care about. This is about your freedom. $10,000 per month is the number that lets you breathe. It's the number that lets you quit the job you hate. It's the number that lets you wake up when you want, go where you want, and finally have control over your own life. It's not about becoming a millionaire. It's about building a life that actually feels like yours. A life where you don't have to ask for permission just to go on vacation. A life where you can say yes to the things that matter to you. A life where you check your phone and see payments rolling in while you're still in bed. A life where you finally stop surviving and start living. And the best part about this is that you don't need to be a genius to do it. You don't need rich parents. You don't need a degree. You don't need to be good at tech or have some special connection. All you need is the right vehicle, a simple plan, and the consistency to stick with it longer than most people ever will. That's it. So as you can see, it's not magic, and it sure as hell isn't luck. It's math and patience. You make your own luck by doing this. Now, if you're wondering why you should listen to me, that's fair. My name is Fred, and I come from a low middle class family. My dad was a nurse and my mother a nursing assistant. Yet, this hasn't prevented me from building the online business that's made me thousands of dollars per day in profit. So I do know a thing or two about making money remotely. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Now let's make this super simple. If you want to make $10,000 per month, there are only 3 things you absolutely need. First, you need an offer. This means something that people want to buy, but not just any random thing. It needs to solve a problem, a real, painful, annoying problem that people are already looking for help with. It has to matter to them. It shouldn't just be something you think is cool, but something that people are actually searching for and paying for. And your offer needs to create a transformation. That means it takes someone from where they are to where they want to be, from stuck to free, from confused to clear, from tired to energized. That's what people pay for. They don't want more information, they want a result. And if you can help them to get that result, they will happily pay you money. And a lot of it. Second, you need attention. Most businesses struggle because their lead flow is too small. If nobody knows about your offer, nobody can buy it. It's like throwing a party but not inviting anyone. So you need to get in front of people. There are 2 ways to do this. One is organic, which means using your time. That can be posting on social media, talking to people, creating helpful content, or networking. The other is paid, which means using money to run ads and reach people faster. If you have more time than money, start with organic. If you have more money than time, you can do paid. Eventually, you'll want to do both. But here's a simple rule. More attention equals more opportunity to make money. No attention means no sales. It's that simple. Third, you need a way to turn attention into income. So let's say someone sees your offer and they're interested. What happens next? You need a way to guide them to the sale. That could be a phone call. It could be a direct message. It could be a website or a sales page. But the process has to be clear. They need to know what they're getting, how much it costs, and how to pay. And after they pay you, you need to deliver what you promised. This is how you build trust. If people are happy with what you give them, they'll come back. They'll tell their friends. They'll become loyal. This is how you build a real business that lasts. Not just something that works for 1 month and then disappears. Now, let's talk about why most people never hit $10,000 per month. They don't fail because they're dumb. They fail because they're distracted. They keep jumping from one thing to the next. 1 month is NFTs. Next month it's crypto. Then it's AI tools. Then it's dropshipping. They're always starting something new and never finishing anything. They think the next shiny thing will save them. but it never does. They also spend too much time watching and not enough time doing. They'll binge 10 hours of videos about making money, but won't spend 10 minutes taking action. And when things get boring or hard, they quit. But the truth is, success always comes after the boring part. That's when the growth happens. And finally, some people try to do everything by themselves. That works in the beginning, but over time it burns you out. You're not supposed to do it all alone forever. You need to build systems, hire help, and make your business work for you. Let's break this down even further. $10,000 per month sounds like a big number, I realize that. But when you split it into pieces, it's not that scary anymore. $10,000 per month is about $333 per day. So you only need to make $333 every single day. Now some days it's going to be more, some days it's going to be less. You know how this works, it's never even every single day. But that could be one sale of a product that costs $333, or 3 sales of something that costs $111, or 11 sales of something that costs $33, or maybe just 4 clients a month who pay you $2,500 per sale. When you look at it this way, the big number becomes small. It becomes something you can actually picture. You're not trying to make $10,000 out of thin air. You're just stacking small wins until you get there. And you can get there with just a handful of clients, as you saw. Now, let me give you 5 simple habits that will help you hit your goal faster. The first thing is having a crystal clear plan. You need to know what you're selling, who you're selling it to, where you're going to find those people, your potential customers, and how much you're going to charge. If you don't have a plan, you will just wander around hoping things work. And that makes no money. Sorry to say it. But if you know exactly what the path looks like, you can start walking even with your eyes closed. You'll get what you want. The second habit is taking daily action. I'm not talking about working for 12 hours straight every single day. It's not realistic. But if you can give just 30 minutes a day, every day, you will make progress, and it adds up. Little steps every day are way more powerful than random big efforts once in a while. Consistency builds momentum. It's like brushing your teeth. Do it every day and you stay clean. Skip it for a few weeks and things get very messy. The third habit is building your skills. Your income will grow as your skills grow. The better you get at solving problems, the more people will pay you. So learn how to sell, learn how to market, learn how to communicate, read books, watch smart people, take courses, ask questions. Your brain is the biggest investment, so use it wisely. The fourth habit is tracking what works. Don't just guess. Use real data. If something is working, do more of it. If something isn't working, stop wasting time on it. Look at the numbers. How many people are seeing your offer? How many are buying? What are people saying? What content is getting attention? These clues will help you move faster and smarter and make more money. Now the fifth and final habit is staying consistent for at least 6 months. That's the real secret. 6 months of showing up. 6 months of getting better. 6 months of trying, failing, learning, and adjusting. Most people are going to give up way too soon. And then they'll wonder why they're not rich. Come on. They quit right before things start to work. Do you know how long it's taken me to get to where I am today? But if you can stick with it for just half of a year, and you follow a proven step-by-step process, you surround yourself with people who do it every day, you get mentors, all that stuff, you will be shocked at how quickly you can get there. Let me be real with you. There are people out there right now who are already making $10,000 per month, and they don't have anything more than you do. They're not special. Some of them started with less than you. Less money, less time, less confidence, less qualifications. The only difference is they started and they didn't stop. They didn't need a perfect plan. They didn't need other people's permission. They just got going and figured it out along the way. That's the number one key trait successful people have in common. And you don't need to throw away your entire life to start your business, but you do need to trade in a little comfort. You need to give up some distractions, skip some lazy days, say no to things that waste your energy. You have 6 months left in 2026. That's 26 weeks. That's 180 days. What you do with those days will shape your entire future. So make that decision now. Take one small step today, not next week, not when it feels perfect, right now. This is your wake-up call. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down.